A blizzard can erase everything, even family. This tiny monkey is seconds from falling into the frozen abyss. His mother already across. The gap widens. His grip weakens. Then, a shadow in the storm. A raven circles above, calling sharply. Moments later, a mountain goat appears through the white chaos. The raven drops stones into the crevice. The goat pushes branches across with powerful force. Together, they build a path. The infant crawls forward, shaking, slipping, surviving. On the other side, warmth. His mother pulls him close. The raven watches. The goat stands guard. In the wild, survival sometimes speaks a language beyond species.